Hi everyone! To get started with Floorplans by Tripleseat, I need to connect my Floorplans account to Tripleseat. In this video, we will cover how to turn on the integration, map locations, map rooms, and connect floor plans in my profile. I need to have the appropriate settings access to complete these steps. Once the Floorplans team has created my spaces and I've reset my password, I will turn on the integration by heading to Settings, Integrations, and scrolling down to Floorplans by Tripleseat. The first step is to toggle this button to on. Once it's on, I'll see a Connect button. Clicking this, the integration page will refresh and I'll see that Floorplans is now connected. Once my Floorplans account is connected, the next step is to map my Tripleseat locations to the corresponding locations in Floorplans by Tripleseat. I will click Map Floorplans by Tripleseat Venues to be brought to the venue mapping page, and then click Edit Venue Mappings on the top right-hand side. Each Floorplans by Tripleseat venue will be listed. For each location, I will select the matching Tripleseat location from the drop-down and click Update Mapping when done. Once the locations have been mapped, the next step is to map my Tripleseat rooms to the corresponding rooms in Floorplans by Tripleseat. For each room in Floorplans, I will select the matching room in Tripleseat from the drop-down and click Update when done. The final step is connecting Floorplans at the user level. This ensures that I am the owner of the events I create. To do this, I will head to my profile by clicking my name at the top of the page or by clicking My Profile in the navigation bar on the left. I'll scroll down to the floor planning integration section, check the box for Floorplans by Tripleseat, and click Connect. I'll see an authorization screen. I'll click Authorize App, and when I return to my profile, I'll see a confirmation message that says Floorplans by Tripleseat successfully connected. And that's it. Next time I create a floor plan within an event and log in to Floorplans by Tripleseat, I will be connected to Floorplans with my own account. To ensure I'm logged in as myself, I can confirm the account by clicking on my initials in the top right of Floorplans. It is important to note that since I set up the integration, when someone on my team heads into Floorplans, all events will show me as the owner, even if they head into Floorplans from their own Tripleseat account. In order for someone on my team to create events in Floorplans and have their name listed as the owner, I need to create them as a user in Floorplans by Tripleseat, and then have them link their Floorplans account in their My Profile page in Tripleseat. For more information on these steps, check out our crash courses linked below. If you have any questions about setting up floor plans, please contact our support team by clicking the Help and Question button in Tripleseat or the Need Help button in Floorplans by Tripleseat. Thanks for watching.